Greeting, this is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can use the advanced feature in Zoom. Yes, the advanced feature in Zoom. You might be wondering what I'm talking about, right? So I'm going to guide you through this particular area. Because this is going to be very critical, especially when you're doing a presentation and you want to switch from one slide and you want to know what's coming next and all of that. So the first thing you want to do, you want to bring up the Zoom here. So we're going to start a Zoom meeting immediately right here. Let me minimize this up here. I'm going to start this Zoom meeting right away here. Right, so what we want to do is go to share screen. So we're going to click right here. Right, if you notice here, we have basic and we have advanced. So what we want to focus on is advanced. So we're going to click on the advanced right here. Right, and it says share a portion of your screen. Right, so we're going to click on that. And then you come all the way here. And you click on the word share. Right, when you click on the word share, let me bring up the PowerPoint. Right. You notice this PowerPoint presentation. You notice this blue line itself. I can put the cursor here and I can actually move it, right? It's only inside here that participant can actually see. They cannot see nothing over here. But if you come like this and you shift it over here, then can see over here. But if you shift it back over here, then cannot see over here. So when you have it like this now, and you're doing the presentation, you can actually look over here. So you can actually click on this side, and then you can actually see exactly what's going on here. Or you can just drag out this some more. Right? You can actually carry this up like that. Right? So what if this particular slide should have come before this one? Right? Advanced option give you the chance, but you can actually come like that, switch it on, and then actually do what you have to do. Here, and come up to that, you can also go all the way down. Right? And what if you want to show something up here in the edge, you can just strip it up like that and actually show in there. Remember, they only can see what's inside here. You can actually come down like this. So if I stop sharing, I use the basic one, right? If you use the basic sharing like this one, the basic, right? If you use the basic share, you come like that, you click, you notice, you can actually see everything. The only option again you have for them not to see this, right? You have to come up here and click on slideshow. And when you click this as slideshow down here, right? And it actually come up like this, you can see whatever here again. Right, so the best way for you to do this is to click here and share, right, and go to advanced, and then you click on the portion of the screen, then you click right here to share, right, so you can actually come all the way over here and do the same thing. Let me come up with this one right here. Let me take our board, so you can actually put the cursor right here. You can drag it here, right, but you don't put the cursor upon it on orange. You can actually come here, you can drag it down and put it to exactly where you want it, like that. Right, so you know exactly what's coming next here, right? So you can actually click, right, and do a presentation and all that. So this feature is very important. So if you want to then to see something else, you have to drag it up like that, or drag it up like that, right? So it's very important. So if it not fit properly up here, you can put the cursor right here. You notice if you come out to it arrow, just get up like that. And there you go, right? So you can basically see exactly what's going on over here, right? You can actually scroll up. Right, in the meantime, they can actually see exactly what's going on. Nobody is seeing exactly what here. They can pick and choose which one you want. Right? You can even come like this and even go all the way down here. So, and they want to see everything what's inside here. So very important. So if this video helps solve your problem, share it with your friend and family so that it can actually help to solve their problem also. So very important. Right? So remember to share.